breakfast. This is a slice of stuffed pizza from Aurelio's. It has sausage, ham, and onions in it. This is my breakfast. We went last night, so I think we had like 4 slices left over from our pizza. We got a medium pizza last night, and good morning. As you can see, I did get my hair cut yesterday. It's probably a mess right now because I haven't done anything with it since I woke up today, but I'm about to go get in the shower and all of that good stuff, so I figured why mess with it right now. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? This is the very first time that I have vlogged since I cut my hair yesterday, or got my hair cut yesterday. I didn't do it myself this time. I actually went to the salon, so what do you think? I really want to know what you guys think about it. So every couple of days I switch out the wax that I put in my wax warmer, and yesterday and the day before I was using this one. It actually really smells like Fruit Loops. If you have an idea of what Fruit Loops cereal smells like, this one really smells like it. And then we went to Bed Bath & Beyond yesterday, and we got this one, the Citrus Sunrise. You can definitely smell the citrus in that. It's very strong. But as you can see, I have a lot to choose from. So I guess I'm just going to go through and pick whichever random scent I want to use for today and tomorrow. I just wanted you guys to hear exactly what I have to deal with every single time that I turn our dishwasher on. Like, really? Does it have to be that freaking loud? I don't know if it's just because it's an old brand of dishwasher or what it is, but it is extremely loud no matter how many dishes are in the dishwasher.